Paddle TV is brought to you by Yakima, the world's finest car racks and trailers. Find the perfect rack to get your boat to the water safely at yakima.com. Nestled between the dramatic Benbulben Mountain and a beautiful Atlantic coastline, Sligo is a town surrounded by natural beauty. Although the town is recognized as Ireland's adventure capital, Sligo remains relatively undiscovered, which offers travelers the beauty without the crowds.
Sligo is considered the adventure capital of Ireland, and that's because there's so many outside activities to do there. Whether you're on the water or off the water, surfing, stand-up paddling, or on land, biking and hiking. And it's just a great place to go if you're an outdoorsy person and want to get outside and explore the more rugged side of Ireland.
But it's not all hardcore surfing, it's soft adventure, it's community-based, and we're working together to develop Sligo as the premier destination. Like, we don't want to be trying to catch up with anywhere else in the world. We want to show the rest of the world how to do it. Sligo is home to one of the gnarliest and most challenging waves in the world, which is Mullaghmore.
We got to the wave and it was still dark, so we couldn't really see it, but we could hear it. And when the light came up, the wave was giant.
Most of the time when it goes off, it's very often accompanied by kind of mist or rain, high wind, but occasionally it just goes right. And when it goes right, it's absolutely mind-blowing power. When you're standing on the head, watching in, you can feel it in your feet through the land as it crashes, and it's like watching it from a stadium stand. It's the most perfect viewing location for big wave surfing anywhere in the world. You cannot get closer from land to seeing more quality surfing and waves than in Mullaghmore.
Seeing the wave from shore was really exciting, but it didn't really give me the perspective of how big and how powerful the wave really is. It's not until you actually get down in the water, in the channel next to the wave, that you're like, oh my gosh, how do these people do this? This thing is a monster. And you just feel the power, the wave, it's like crashing, it's so loud, and there's so much energy going on out there, from currents to wind. And even though I didn't surf the wave myself, it was amazing just to be out there in the channel watching everything happen.
Being out there and paddling into it to really get close and feel it was a life changer. Again, that SUP has allowed me to do something that I never thought I would do. Be out there on the boat, to get out there on the big SUPs and SUP right into the shoulder of the wave, looking down the barrel, guys from Tahiti, guys from Hawaii, guys from New York, guys from Sligo, showing them how to do it. It was really, really cool.